Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be comparing MyFitnessPal with Cal. So MyFitnessPal has been around for years and offers manual food logging, barcode scanning, and community support. It has all the features for tracking calories, macros, workouts, and even water intake, but requires manual input for most things. It has a free plan, but key features like macro tracking and meal scanning requires premium, which costs around $19.99 per month or $79.99 per year. It is best for detailed calorie tracking and community support. On the other hand, if we talk about Calorie AI, it uses artificial intelligence to automate calorie and macro tracking, making the process more seamless. It has all the AI-powered food recognition, smart calorie adjustments, and real-time recommendations to optimize your diet. It has a free version with AI-powered tracking, while its premium upgrades are generally more affordable. It is best for AI-powered automated tracking with minimal effort. So choose Calii if you've preferred AI-powered tracking with smart automation, and choose MyFitnessPal if you want a long-standing app with manual control and community features. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.